Get ready with a gay Igbo man who is glowy, sexy, juicy, moisturized, hydrated, and unbothered, protected by my ancestors, divinely protected, and doing what needs to be done. I am the vibes, I am the moment, I am an Igbo gay man. And I will continue to say that I'm an Igbo gay man who is juicy, sexy, moisturized, hydrated, and unbothered from Njikoka local government area of Anambra State. Everybody in my freaking village knows I'm a homosexual. Let's get that out of the way. You know that now. Let's get into my outfit. I'm going out with my man. We need to go and do what husband and husband do. We are doing what husband and husband do. I dress how I want to dress. This top, this t-shirt is from Cause. These pants is from AS Club Doc Martens. That's what we're doing today. It never, ever, ever ceases to amaze me how some of these people think that God did not create gay people. It boggles the mind. Which God are you talking about? My dear, please. These 3 bracelets. This sunglasses from Ray-Ban. My wristwatch from Tommy Hilfiger. Denim jacket, really, really nice. Look at the details, so nice. It matches this perfectly. I love it. Bibliothèque by Byredo, pistachio perfume from Laboratorio Lido, and this Tom Ford perfume. This combo, super amazing. I love it. We love a bag over here. So it's going to be this tote bag from Longchamp. This is the sunglasses. Thank you so much for getting ready with me. If you have watched up until here, let us know what you think. Like and share. Make sure to listen to Igbo Queer and Unfiltered podcast. The podcast is released every Tuesday. You can listen to the podcast on every podcast platform that you listen to your podcast on. Subscribe to the African Gay Igbo Vlog channel. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.